And here we go with another hat. This one is going to start like our last one. We're going to have our triangles around the base. So what you want to do is we're going to make about a thumb and a hand width bubble out of 2 adjoining balloons. Bring those together and make them a triangle. Go to your next 2. Doesn't matter which direction you go, and do that again. Thumb and a hand width bubble out of each one. There I go, my pink and my orange. Bring those together. Makes another triangle. And our final pair. Do the same thing. Bring those together. So now we've got our hex base and we've got 3 triangles running around it. Now what you're going to do is we're going to go to 2 adjoining triangles. I like to alternate colors just to keep it more fun. So I've got a triangle here and a triangle here, one in each hand, and I'm going to take the 2 bubbles that are coming the same direction, in this case the red from this one and the orange from this one, and I'm going to bring them together and cross again in the middle. Again, about a thumb and a hand width bubble from each one. So I've made basically a pentagon there out of those is what you end up with. Then I'm going to go on around. Here I've got yellow and green. I'm going to do the same thing. Make the 2 thumb and a hand width bubbles. Bring those together. And that leaves pink and blue. I'll do the same with those. So now I've got my 3 hexagons and my 3 original triangles. Now we're going to come up. There we go. Get them turning the way I like them running. Now you can see how pink is coming from here up across. So I'm going to take this pink and I'm going to go out to the end of it, pull off about a hand width bubble. Bring it back down where you can see where we're going. And see the direction it's running, it's going to continue just going on around. And I'm going to bring it over here to where the blue one and the yellow one meet together here. Just like that. Then I'm going to take, because the green is running this opposite direction here, I'm going to do the same with it. And I'm going to bring it here where the pink one is. And hook those 2 together. Then I'm going to come over here and I've got yellow and orange are going to be meeting each other the same way. So I'm going to take yellow, pull a hand with bubble off the end, bring it down here at the top of that triangle. And do the same with the orange coming over here and with bubble on the end. And I'm going to bring it down to this triangle here. So my finger wiggling. Where the yellow one just came into. Like that. And then I've got red and blue left. I'm going to do the same thing with them. My hand with bubble off the end of the red. Down to that triangle there. A hand with bubble off the blue. Down to the same place where I just brought the red. And then what we'll do, we'll position these. You'll get all your loops running out. You may have to kind of position them just a little bit to get them to set kind of, not really flat because they're offset. And you've got, at each of the intersections of the tops of where your original triangles were, you've got your 2 ends coming up with your straight, your tails, and just put your bubble out on the end of each of those. Do that all the way around. So we've got all 6 of those done up. And there you go.